So today, the jury in Morton County, North Dakota, returned a verdict in our case for over $660 million against the three Greenpeace entities being sued by Energy Transfer. This has been going on for, over 8 years. It is the end of one phase, but the fight is far from over. We will be appealing. There's a lot for us to dissect. We've only been out of court for about an hour, and we see a lot of issues with how the case proceeded, and how it ended. And so we're just really analyzing all that. But one thing's for sure is we will be appealing this case. There was evidence in this case that really should have never entered for the jury to consider. For example, the Greenpeace entities, as an advocacy organization, we have engaged in a lot of First Amendment protected activity, around petitioning the government, around granting the easement. And those were things that were brought in when there really aren't even claims around them and when it's clearly First Amendment protected speech. So that's one example of just some of the things we're really looking at. We're going to be going through a deep dive over these next few days and these few weeks to dig into, what was admitted into trial that, perhaps shouldn't have been and what was excluded. And that's all going to form the basis of an appeal, as are many of the other issues that we've been paying attention to. I'm not surprised. I mean, when you look at the original complaint and this revisionist history of how Standing Rock came about and Greenpeace's role, this is another revisionist history of what this case was about and what the outcome symbolizes. This is an attack on the First Amendment. This is a very blatant attack.